Hey, it's Alex, CEO of Motoroso.com, your dedicated auto parts marketplace, and we're continuing our SEMA coverage here in 2019. And we stopped by the Bilstein booth, and they've launched a new series of shocks called the 8100 series, and this is their entrance into ultra high-end off-road racing and overlanding. And with the popularity of those two segments, this product's gonna be really interesting. So we wanted to have a quick chat with Brian, learn a little bit more about the technology in this shock.
Yeah. Thanks for stopping by, first of all. Yeah, man. So we're really excited to launch this technology into the market for a guy who does some overlanding, does some light off-roading or extreme off-roading actually, and still be able to use, in this particular case with the 8112 product, still be able to use the factory coil spring, factory mounts, get bypass control built in, and a two-stage jounce control. So it's a tremendous amount of technology developed for this platform. This particular shock here that we're showing is the Forerunner platform, but we have it coming out for others. But it's a good solution for a strut style setup vehicle, but give you extreme off-road performance just like we see in the trophy truck world.
Awesome. Tell us a little bit about some of the damping controls. I think you talked earlier about this jounce. It's almost like a built-in bump stop within the shock.
Exactly right. So if we can see here, this is a telescoping jounce control, and it's two stages. There's an internal control, and then once it gets to the extreme jounce event, it gets into the external control. So we can dial in a huge jounce event to make the car settle like butter.
Awesome. Let's go take this thing off some jumps. And then it sounds like there's the internal version and then the bypass version for the external shop, more for the Jeep market over here.
Exactly. So this particular setup here has your external bypass controls here, where this is doing it for you mindlessly. You can just put it on and run it and forget it. This gives you the opportunity to tune it out on the trail for whatever situation you're running into. So this product here, again, is shown for the Forerunner, but we have it for the JL platform, JK platform upcoming, JT eventually later in the year. So some exciting stuff from Bilstein.
Very exciting. What kind of price points on these for, like, let's say a kit? I know you're not going to have exact pricing. It's going to depend by vehicle, but just kind of ballpark idea for people.
Sure. So the 8112 strut mounted shock is going to be at a price point of about $1,000 a shock, give or take, out in the market. This is going to be somewhere in that neighborhood too, give or take a couple $100. If you want more information though, go to www.cart.bilsteinus.com.
Awesome. And they'll be able to shop for these parts and accessories at Motoroso.com as well, of course. And real quick, this is also an aluminum body shock. I think that's worth probably mentioning. Is that correct?
That is correct.
So you can be able to save on weight. Cool. Brian, thank you so much. Really appreciate your time.
Yeah.
Thanks, everybody, for watching. Make sure to check out Motoroso.com, where you can browse over 1 million top name brand products sold by trusted vendors at great prices. And the shipping is always free with no minimum. Thanks for watching.